Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you one of the easiest tricks to speed up your downloads. How to connect Telegram to Terabox so you can generate instant download links with a simple bot. If you've been struggling with slow Terabox speeds or complicated steps, this method is going to change everything. So stick with me till the end. Alright, let's get started. The whole process takes less than a minute and you only need your Telegram app. No extra tools, no complicated setup. First, open your Telegram app. At the top, you'll see the search bar. Tap on it and type Terabox. You're looking for the official channel, so tap on the result that looks like a channel and simply join it. This step makes sure your Telegram knows the bot and tools connected to that channel. Once you've joined the channel, go back to that same search bar. Now type Terabox bot. This is the actual bot that will generate your download links. Open it and you'll see a big start button at the bottom. Tap start and just like that, the bot becomes active on your account. After the bot is activated, you're ready to use it instantly. All you have to do is copy any Terabox media link, whether it's a video, photo, or any file you want to download. Once copied, you go back to the bot and paste the link into the chat. Send it. Within a second or two, the bot replies automatically with a direct download link, no ads, no redirects, no waiting. Just tap and download your file at full speed. That's literally it. Search, join, start, and paste. Super simple, super fast. And that's how you connect Telegram to Terabox in the quickest and easiest way possible. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need faster downloads too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.